Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to verify an EA account. Alright, so first up, go ahead and open up your favorite browser. It could be on your mobile device, computer, or if your console have it, go ahead and open it up. Okay, so once you have your browser opened, just go ahead over to myaccount.ea.com. Alright, again, myaccount.ea.com. And then just hit on enter. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, go ahead and log in with your account. Okay, and then once logged in, just basically go ahead over to account information right here in the left panel. Scroll down, and as you can see here, to verify your account, all you got to do is just log in with your email, and the pre-verification process was the code. Okay, when you're trying to sign in, and after that, when you go ahead and check your email address, it should say verified in here. Okay, but if you want your specific account to be more secure, okay, you can go ahead and add in a phone number right here. Add. Okay, and again, we'll send a verification code. Just send the code, paste the code that was sent in your emailing service. Also, go ahead and scroll all the way up, and then you'll have manage 2FA settings. Or if you can't find it right here, go ahead over to security and privacy. Now scroll down, all the way down, and here we have two-factor authentication. Also, secondary email. Okay, you can add in your secondary email right here, and then go ahead over to the top to make it more secure, enable two-factor authentication. Click on this right arrow key, and then a code will be sent again. So send the code, paste the code in here that was sent to this email, click on submit, and after that, turn on two-factor authentication. Okay, it will then go ahead and make you choose if you want the verification code via email or authenticator app, okay, or even a text message. All right, and if I were you, I'm going to go ahead and use authenticator app right here, as this is far more secure. Okay, just go ahead and set it up, use your authenticator app, scan the secure code, and once done, you're good to go. All right, and that is how you verify an EA account. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.